This is Earth Chats, to the point snippets, bringing you insightful conversations in the bite size. If you'd like to hear more, make sure to check out the Earth Chats podcast on Spotify, YouTube, and various other platforms. You can find the links below. So I've been doing a bit of research on you, and I see that you studied sustainable industrial design.
I studied industrial design with a sustainability focus as my thesis here.
Okay, so what does that entail exactly? Like, what is sustainable design, and has it impacted or influenced what you do today?
So I studied industrial design with the thinking around how design is really connected to everything from a human standpoint. So everything that we engage with that isn't nature, whether it's interface design, software design, or 3D things like laptops and cars and toothbrushes and plates and all the things that need to either be aesthetically beautiful or ergonomically correct, they're all in some way had to go through a design process. And because it's so inextricably linked to everything we do, I felt that if I was going to be a change maker in the world, I needed to understand design as a principle. And that was kind of the journey as it began. And then it got washed by just kind of becoming a product designer and just trying to work out how the whole space of understanding materials and I suppose load bearing, resistance, the things that come with being a designer. And toward the end, we got more into kind of the theoretical, the principles behind good design, and down things like obsolete and obsolescence and things like that. And so it gave me a really good standpoint, a starting place to have a perspective on the way I engage with the world from a project building perspective. And my final year, I was designing something that worked with sustainable rainwater catchment. The mechanism essentially allowed for municipalities to install a catchment mechanism that reduced the amount of debris that goes into rainwater like the entryways. And great project. I actually submitted it to local government. There was lots of interest. I had several meetings with them. And then the elections happened, and then the whole team changed, and I started the conversation again, and it kind of just got lost in the ether of the political system. But I suppose I maybe wasn't that enthusiastic about it. But it definitely gave me a really good kind of vantage point to understand the principle of having a project from concept to fruition. And that's largely what we do at the moment. We come up with an idea, we look at the value of the idea through various lenses, we look at the problem statement, we find out what other people have done in relation to this, similar challenges, and then we set up a set of goals which would indicate impact, and then from there we can start building a project. And it's very much similar to the design process and the systems thinking way in which you would need to kind of gear up building any product in a sustainable manner. Like, what are you trying to achieve, and mapping that out.
Cool. So that obviously, it definitely would have given you a bit of a nice backbone for creating a project, which you then did in 2010. You started Greenpop. As a special gift to our listeners, BMDM Digital has created a 52-page free social media training guide that will help you ignite your social media. You can download your free copy in the link below.